So, where is she? Let's see if we can do this again. Yeah, we got it. Look at that. There.
Hi. Oh, curly hair.
There's Inspector Teresa. We're taking a day off from the house today and doing a bike ride. We're running from Brunswick, Maryland to Harper's Ferry along the Potomac and trying to pick up whatever sites we can pick up and get some exercise and probably kill ourselves along the way. But
right, we've already done 4.67 miles.
4.67 miles
in 35 minutes.
In 35 minutes. I don't know how many miles an hour that is, but it's probably like 3.
7.8.
Oh, well. I think your watch is giving us more credit than it should.
Huh?
But behind us is the Potomac River, so let's take a swing around and take a look at what that looks like. It is the Potomac River, or the Potomac, as the American Indians used to say. That bridge over there is from Maryland into Virginia. That far spot over there is Virginia. That peak of that mountain over there behind the trees is the Blue Ridge Mountain. And we are on the Maryland side, coming around to Harper's Ferry. Down this way, if you follow it all the way down, is Washington, D.C. And then up this way is the Shenandoah, where you meet the Shenandoah. And then farther up north, the Potomac. The Shenandoah goes off to the left and the Potomac goes off to the right. Gorgeous day today. 75, 77 degrees. Good day for a ride. Teresa, I think, is up here looking for a snack. Oh, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Her wonderful husband packed roll-ups for her. Oh, look at that. So we made it to Harper's Ferry. Crazy, crazy, crazy here today. I think Harper's Ferry was built for like 10 people and there's 1,000 people here easy.
Yeah.
Way too busy. But we braved it into the city. Walked around a little bit. Now we're headed back to the bikes. Getting ready to be run over by an electric car. Someplace behind us. People who live in their own little worlds.
Ain't that the truth?
But it's pretty nice here.
Get a picture up at the church, going up the steps.
Yeah. I asked Teresa if she wanted to go up those stairs to the church. She said, no way. In fact, her exact words were, hell no.
Bless me, Father.
Bless me, Father, for I have no desire to go up them stairs. Over here is the little fire station where John Brown did his thing. It's a hell of a fire truck.
Yeah.
So this is where John Brown held up until they captured him. He had 11 sons or something like that.
11 sons?
Sons, yes. I don't know how many of them got killed in his little skirmish. He was an abolitionist. Bit on the crazy side. Not for being an abolitionist, but just a bit on the crazy side.
Oh, look how dusty I am.
Go up to the river. Have to go to the obligatory overlook where everyone else goes, where all the tourists go to see the river. Unfortunately, there's no blow-up alligators out here today. I'll see if I can find the news article about that.
Last time I got my picture taken up here, I weighed about 190 pounds.
No, the last time you got your picture taken up here was with me, like 5 years ago.
We did it right here?
Yes, honey, right here.
That inspired early civil rights group.
We don't want to interrupt the interviews.
Tried to lead for civil rights in America, for the United States as a whole.
I do want to take the kids down here to do this.
Yep. So here's the view. The Potomac coming down from the left. The Shenandoah coming down from behind us into the Potomac down here. Absolutely beautiful.
Look at all the people that are up there on the peak.
Yeah, that's Maryland Heights. See if we can get a picture up there. That's the best we can do. I've hiked that. Joe and I hiked that in 2019. Yeah, that's where a bridge used to go across, or an aqueduct. I think that's where the road came through here. And went straight into 340 across the way there at an intersection, a T intersection. And same with here, over there. I think it just all came in as an intersection right here. All right, so we're gonna head back across the bridge. Right now we're in West Virginia. And then we will cross the bridge over here into Maryland. And Teresa was whispering something to me about something, and I have no idea what she said.
Oh, that's cute.
Enjoy the downhill while you can, Gus.
Yep. He wouldn't catch any good bugs.
But we'll take you on our journey across the bridge with all the other people. Look out over the river. Look at the back of Teresa's head. Look up the river over there. You can see through there. Hello, kids. You can see through there to rafters. You got tubers down there as well. This is an active railroad bridge.
No, we took her out to walk.
Trains come through here all the time.
Let's take it.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, this rail line here, the trains that come across this rail line will eventually wind up behind our house.
Is Harper very not successful?
Because the line runs behind our house.
Good, good, good. That's why this town also. Is it true about the cheese?
Bridge was built in 1893.
Nice.
We got separated.
I know.
I had to catch up to you. Across the river that way is Virginia. We are crossing the Potomac River. You can see ahead of us the tunnel. The train comes out, 1931, Harper's Ferry. And if you can look up through the trestle at the mountain over there, I don't know if I can get the camera to point that way, you can see the ghost of advertisement that was painted up there on the stone on that cliff. Actually clearer if you're further away from it. But it was very commonplace. They would paint advertisement, tobacco companies or whatever, and advertise to passerby on the train. We're coming up on Teresa's favorite stairs. Down there beside the road, if you can see over the road there, that's the bike trail that we came up on. Actually below us. Okay, there's your break. Down the stairs.
Kasih.
We made it.